Oven not heating? The fix depends on whether you have gas or electric. Gas ovens, the number one cause is a bad igniter. It's the small piece at the bottom that glows orange. If it's weak, it won't get hot enough to open the gas valve. You'll see it glow for a long time without the oven ever heating. Igniter replacement runs $150 to $250. The part itself is $30 to $50. Safety warning. If you smell gas but the oven won't light, turn it off immediately, open windows, leave the house, and call your gas company. Never diagnose a gas leak yourself. Electric ovens. Most common cause is a failed bake or broil element. The bake element is the coil at the bottom, broil is at the top. Look for visible breaks, blistering, or burned spots. Replacement costs $150 to $300. The element part is $20 to $80. If it's not the igniter or element, it could be the temperature sensor, a thin metal probe inside the oven. When it reads wrong, the oven heats to the wrong temperature. $100 to $250 to fix. The good news, ovens last 15 to 20 years, longest of any appliance. Repairing almost always makes sense. We fix gas and electric ovens on all brands: Samsung, LG, Whirlpool, GE, KitchenAid, Maytag, Frigidaire. Same-day oven repair in Port St. Lucie, Stewart, Fort Pierce, Jensen Beach. Call Treasure Coast Appliance Repair at 772-353-5791.